Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to move around panels and use Workspaces in Adobe Premiere Pro. Now, this is going to be super important. If you're new to Premiere Pro, you need to learn how to do this. If you follow my mouse, anything that you see that has a heading like this with 3 bars next to it is going to be a panel that you can open and close. All you have to do is click on these 3 bars and a menu will pop up. You have close, undock, group, and close all. You can undock it, and that pops it out into its own standalone window. So if you have 2 monitors, you can move the program monitor off to your second monitor and have the other monitor just as a dedicated editing space. If you want to dock that again, you can bring it back, click on program, and then you can choose wherever you want to put it. There's a bunch of predetermined spots where you can place it, but I'm just going to place mine back to where it was. And you can do this for every single panel, every single thing that has a heading. You can even do this with the tools that are on the side right here. So you have the tools and then you have the audio monitor. You can move these wherever you want to move them. All you have to do is click on the top portion of the box, and then you can also move these wherever you want to move them. So let's say for whatever reason I want my tools up here. I can move them right into the middle of the screen or just wherever I want to move them to. Okay, so this didn't exactly go as planned. Everything's kind of messed up. So how do I fix this? Well, I can come up to Window, go to Workspaces, and then go to Reset to Saved Layout. I can also come up to the standalone button up here, that's Workspaces, come down, and then reset that to Save Layout. And then everything goes back to normal. If you move things around and you like them a certain way, you can come up to Workspaces and then you can go save as a new workspace. And you can save that as a default kind of workspace that you can always go back to. Adobe also has a bunch of preset workspaces that you can use. So we have, let's say, a learning one. So I click that and a bunch of tutorials pop up on the side that you can download and you can follow along with, and you can see how long it should take you to get through them. There's also stuff preset for like color editing. This is going to be where you're doing your color correction. You can go audio. This is where you're going to come to if you're doing audio editing, mixing, anything like that. If you're putting captions, for example, they have something where you can do captions and graphics. You can also come here to add text if you want to add text. There's a whole bunch of different layouts that you can use for different things. So Adobe has a bunch of preset things that you can use here. If you end up closing one of these windows and you have no idea how to get it back, but let's say you close something, you can come over to Window and everything that you have open, every panel that you have open, you can reopen it from the Windows tab up here. So program monitor, I can reopen that right here. And there's a bunch of other types of windows that are panels that you can open from here as well. So that was just a quick tutorial just to get you used to working in Adobe Premiere Pro. Like I said, you really have to know how to do this or you're not really going to be that successful when you're editing your videos. Anyway, that's it for me. Thank you very much. Please throw me a thumbs up if you liked the video or if it helped you out at all. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.